In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then Autofill, Autofill with Google and Passwords. Following that, select any password to edit by clicking on it. Enter your screen lock and tap on Edit button. Then change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!